Touchdown Bacolod!
Mommy, look on the wall.
Whoa, lizard. Saan papunta?
Papunta kanto lang.
O sige, tara. Let's go. City Public Library. Tara, magbasa tayong libro. Yay!
Hi. Where are we?
The ruins, the color.
Ay.
Okay.
I want this.
Hey, okay. Go pay for it. Wave. Okay. Sobrang daming tao. This is the mud pie. And this is the blueberry cheesecake. We eat.
I want the cream.
Ice cream pala to.
Huh?
Ice cream.
Hey.
Malamig.
Just clean it for yourself. Yes.
It's ice cream.
Put down your phone.
It's ice cream.
Yeah. How was it?
Ang sarap. Ito.
It's delicious.
Your time.
Yeah.
Let me try it.
OMG.
Perfect. I want to try more cakes. So guys, yung texture niya, very ice cream. Oh, hala. Hindi pala siya cake. Ice cream siya. Pero ito, may konting magaspang dito. Ang ganda ng texture.
My mom didn't know it was ice cream.
After finishing all the cakes, I went back dito. Ayan, para makita ulit yung mga options kasi I want to taste another kind. Ang dami nilang options talaga ng cakes dito at very affordable din. Hindi siya super mahal. Masarap siya, be. Puntahan niyo siya pag nasa Bacolod kayo. Huwag niyong i-miss. Another pastry restaurant or bakery na masarap daw ay Felicia's. Ayan, katapat ng Kalea. My cousin Jean picked us up here sa Kalea and dinala niya kami dito sa port. We are now on our way to Iloilo. Salamat naman at aircon. Okay, go! So happy naman si Mai. There's Siomai King. There's always Siomai King wherever we go. Siomai King. So we had Wisam Express. Ayan, Wisam Express 6. At ano may itsura niya? Mukha siya submarine, di ba? Parang hindi ka sure. Ano ba to? Sa ilalim ba to ng dagat tatakbo? Sobrang tawang-tawa talaga ako nung nakita ko to. Sabi ko, hala, baka naman ito biglang mamaya pag umandar to, pumunta sa ilalim ng dagat. Hala, say hi. Moira. Bye, Bacolod. There's another one. Who's that?
Mommy, why didn't if we got there?
Yeah.
Don't have gotten the
Boy, we're back.
Stop!
Oh, he's there.
Yes, dito na ya.
To! Kamusta to? Thank you, Ray! Woo! Ang ganda ng kotse. Ang ganda naman ng kotse ni boss.
Oh no, Sam can see me.
Where's Sam?
Tulog ni Sam eh.
Sam, Sam. Say hi,
Hihilahin ka
Sam.
lang, bumababa na
Hi,
yun.
Sam.
Oh. Hi! Kapitol na to dito eh. Malapit lang. Yan yung ano na.
Bahay panlalawigan ng Iloilo.
Yan. Yan yung... Hindi, wala tayong capsule. Hindi sa akin. So, ito, Guinness World of Records naman yun sa Blondie.
We are in Pasay. Say hi.
Si hi.
Hi. And ocean na doon sa kabila.
Dito yung...
Dagat, Gimaras na daw doon.
Go, go! Bata to, Ray.
Bata, Ray.
Ha? Bata.
Bata. Very good.
Wala pang plate na.
Nakadamit pang pulis lang.
Molo Church.
Pupulis-pulisan. May misa.
Misa.
Boy, sign of the cross.
Wow. Passion all the way. Wow. That.
Boss, masayaw na.
Paano sa namin ang sayaw? Round yon virgin mother and child, so
Mansion.
Tinesting lang yan nila. Ngayon. Hindi naman hindi.
wow, it's a mansion. Go there, the middle. Go. Hey, hi, say hi.
My sandwich. My
Sam-sam. Stop.
Emperador.
Ang sinasapian si Sam.
Wala na sa car.
Ganda sa video.
Hey, look at him, look at him. Woo. Yeah.
How else will we go over the river?
I'm trying to trick her. Hurry, you're gonna fall.
And that wraps up our trip in Bacolod to Iloilo in just one day. Join us the next coming days for Iloilo adventure.